Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Guys, I hope you had a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. I hope you guys enjoyed the holidays, and I hope you guys enjoyed them with family as you should, and whatever family that is for you. Could be your dogs, cats, not my business. Not my business. I know we're a day late, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how I match my makeup to my Christmas pajamas, and not my regular Christmas pajamas. We got some Dolls Kill X Rick and Morty pajamas, and I think that this onesie is super cute, super different, and I think it'd be a lot of fun. So if you guys are ready to get into this look, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. Jumping right into this look, I already have my large fluffy blending brush. Now this onesie is mostly black with lime green. They do have different like aliens on them. There's some cactus. There's obviously Rick and Morty running on them. There's portals. So it's a lot of green. There's some blue, there's some orange, and we're gonna get to it. So large fluffy blending brush in hand. I'm of course gonna go into my neon green pigment from Makeup and Murder. I have to, and I think later on I'm also gonna go into the orange. But this is going to be my transition, but it's gonna be the inner corner. I'm gonna use a few colors because that blue is more like a teal, but we'll see. So I hope you guys, you know what? Yeah, I'm just going to put it here. Ooh, I love these pigments. I haven't used the green in a little while, so I'm happy to use it. I'm gonna bring them down, give it a little avian look. But I remember like the green and the blue, they didn't really blend well together because I think I always put them together. But so this is a pigment just over my lids that are primed with my Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand. I didn't use a white. You don't need a white base for these to pop. These are just so beautiful and pigmented, but a little hard to blend out the green because you see how it's like a little patchy right there. I don't know why it does that, which is also why I don't have my onesie on now, because I don't want any of the fallout on it. So I think I'm going to stop about here, and that's good. But yeah, the only reason this video is out today, not on Christmas, which is on a Sunday, is because it's on a Sunday. And like no one's gonna be watching this video on Christmas. You guys should be having fun with your family. Hope you guys get everything that you want. Even though like my audience is older, so like what you may want is probably like an air fryer, which I didn't have one. I got one for myself, but I didn't get an air fryer. I got the Ninja Foodie 11 in whatever. It could do everything. And it was overwhelming for me. I was very intimidated. I was like, why can't it make yogurt? I really just wanted to make wings. It's a lot. It was a lot. So, so that was something. So I don't know what it is about this green, but it always does this. So I'm just going to pack it in the inner corner. Like it'll blend out nicely up here, but for some reason this green always gives me an issue, and I don't think it's my base. I don't know. We'll probably be cutting the crease anyway, and I'll just go in and touch that up. So leaving it messy like so. I don't know why I wasn't prepared. Like I set everything up to film and I still didn't have my color switch. This is just the one from Ulta. But yeah, guys, I just realized how many videos that I have to do. Like I still have to do a New Year's video. I didn't edit my birthday clips yet. You guys know there's a whole photo shoot behind that. But like, I'm going to take, this is the Nomad Cosmetics palette. This is the Bosque Nuboso de Monteverde. It's a lot, and I'm just gonna take this, and it's clean but it's stained. I'm gonna go into the Resplendent Quetzal, which is this teal shade, and I hope, like it's literally the exact color on my onesie, so I hope it works out. And it was just so yeah. So right now we got some Portal vibes going on. I really like that. Yes sir, yes sir. Sorry, I don't know, this made me really excited. But yeah, and they're blending pretty nicely together. I just don't know why this green and the blue loose pigment, they don't blend nicely together. And I have no idea what's going on the lid. Kind of didn't want to bring it up so high. I don't know why I do these things that I do, but I do them. And I will keep doing them. But yeah, I have a lot and it's overwhelming for me. But 2023, I'm trying to be more prepared. I'm trying to start this year off like I did the middle of the year, like April, March, February, March, around that time. I think the beginning of 2022, I started out strong. I had lots of videos prepared. I was like a month ahead. I'm gonna try to get back to that because I need to. And that was just so I can skydive, but I got my own gear, y'all. I'm ready. I'm ready to like jump whenever I feel like it. It's not gonna be an every weekend thing because money, even though it's still cheaper now, but like I don't have to be there as much as I was. I'm so happy with these two colors already. I'm definitely gonna use this on the 109. So it's this black on. I have no idea what's going on the lid. Maybe I'll do like this beautiful green that's in here, Wildlife Wonderland. But do I want black on the outer corner? I kind of do. I do. Let me go get that. So I grabbed my Sephora Pro palette in Warm because you guys know Obsidian is the best black shadow that I have. My apologies if the angle changed. My battery died and the battery that I'm using right now, it's not even reading in my camera. Y'all, it's ghetto. It's ghetto right now. But going in with my Morphe E36 into that Obsidian shade, I'm going to hit the outer corner like this. I don't want it to be too dark, but I low-key didn't really want to add black. I was trying to think about getting around it. And it looks really messy right now. Don't even worry about that. I'm not. Do I want to wing it out a little bit? We'll see. I'm going to wing it out to see how I feel. But I might just get rid of that when I cut the crease and do my base and all that other stuff. Just going to take a little bit into the crease. Like that. Oh, I kind of like that. Only because it's like Rick and Morty, there's aliens. So I want it to be a little weird. You know. I'm going to start the year off strong. I think I'm going to do it like this because that's weird. Trying to keep, start 2023 off strong. So I have this video. Once this is edited and up, we're good to go. I think the week of my birthday, the week of January 8th, there's not going to be a video on Monday. I'm just going to post my birthday video that Sunday. Only because, that's Sunday at midnight on my birthday on the dot. Just because of the schedule. And then we'll continue with regularly scheduled programming after that. Because for sake of time, I'm going to be meeting up with a high school friend. We haven't seen each other in so long. And we're the type of friends that I think I said this in another video. We'll always make plans to meet up and then we'll both cancel. All the time. I don't know why we do it, but we do. And it's never any ill will. We're still friends. We're one of those friends that we don't have to talk all the time. Because we've been friends for so many years. We know life happens. Life is happening. So, we're good. And we'll catch up when we need to catch up. And it's like nothing ever happened. Those are the friends you need. Not friends who need constant attention. Because for me, I can't do that. I can't provide that to you. I can't. Even in a relationship, I don't know. Some people don't know how to be together and give people space at the same time, and it's weird. I don't know why y'all like that. Y'all need help. But people need space. It's not always them shutting you out. Sometimes, bro, some people need a breather. But I'm going to go ahead, finish up the black on this side, cut the crease, and we'll figure something out for the lip because I don't know. And I think I want to add, I don't know, I may go in and draw in some stuff from Rick and Morty. Maybe I'll make a portal somewhere. I don't know. I might. Ooh, a portal. Wow. I got really excited. I'll be right back. So I cut the crease. I finished blending the black and I cut the crease. I love the shape. I love how it looks. So I decided to keep it at an angle for the cut crease. And I'm actually going to go into a blue first, then the green. And because of the shape, I really want to make sure that the shimmer was going to be placed exactly where I wanted it. So I went ahead and added some NYX glitter primer. I just did that off camera Remember, when you're applying the glitter primer, you want to go in with a light layer just so that it doesn't make your shimmers or glitters or anything all clumpy. Something that I learned, and a little bit does go a long way for these. And if it's like, if your Ulta is like my Ulta, then they sell out really fast. And a lot of times I've literally just gotten the last one. So when I go, I just get 2 now, like I have to. But yeah, so we're going into the Paradise Islands palette by Nomad Cosmetics because they have a beautiful blue shark that I want to get into for the lid. And for that, I'm just be using this small flat brush, which I don't know how well it's going to clean off when I need to go into the green, but I'm going to do it anyway. And I'm just going to place that on the inner corner, like so. Yeah. So these shimmers from Nomad Cosmetics, they perform really well alone, but with the glitter primer, gorgeous, just gorgeous. So I think I'm going to leave it as this. Now just placing down at first, now I'm blending that out. Don't worry, there is orange in my onesie. I'm going to add orange as like a pop of color, most likely on the waterline and the inner corner. I'm not 100% sure yet, but there will be orange. I'll just do those off camera for the sake of time. I've been trying to have some shorter videos for you guys, but like shorter has become like 20 minutes and you guys' attention spans just don't be doing that. So we'll see. My birthday vlog video is usually a longer video, but it's fun. It's a fun video, fun look, and just make sure you follow me on Instagram to see those pictures. Also follow me on Instagram if you want to see how this onesie turned out. I'll try to post some on my community tab for Christmas, but of course the look is going to be dropping on Monday. You know, this is Monday. Shut up, guys. Stop. Just building that up and making sure that they're as close to even as I can get. You guys know my eyes are 2 different shapes. So there's that. And because of the shape of the look, I'll be going in with my bratty lashes. Hopefully 2023. Well, 2023, I'm coming back with my lashes. I'm going to hopefully also bring out some lipsticks. And we're going to revamp. I've literally just been waiting for my DBA to be processed, which I checked, and I did that in April, and it should have only taken 3 weeks. I don't know what the holdup is. I have to get my sales tax license again for that. I'm ready to come back. Like, I love my lashes, and I know you guys enjoy them because I still get text messages for the lashes and the sponges of like family friends who still want them. Like, I need them back because I love them, and I know you guys are gonna love them too. And the lipsticks, oh gosh, I gotta make that happen. By any means, I'm gonna make that happen. So don't even worry about that. The first batch is gonna be small, of course. It's a small brand, but you know, once we get it together, we'll get it together. Also, I think 2024. I think I have a wedding book that I'll be working, not officiating. I wish. If you guys don't know, I am a ordained minister. I can officiate weddings in the city of New York, and just the city of New York for now because that is where I am registered. Crazy, right? Yeah, but I'll be doing the makeup. Oh gosh, I cleaned up really well. Oh, I'm just gonna flip this sponge around because y'all, look at it, crazy. But the other side is clean, and I just need to wash that. But yeah, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're following my community tab if you are a makeup artist or upcoming makeup artist in New York City. Ooh, gosh. I may be looking for an assistant for that wedding. Obviously a paid gig, but just wait on it. But yeah. Going back into this palette with a long name that I'm not doing it. I'm going to go into Wildlife Wonderland, which is this pretty green. I think it may be similar to the green in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, but I have these palettes out already, and I'm going to like blend the middle first and go ahead and add that on. Ooh, sorry. There's a really bright orange in this too. Ooh. This palette was very, very pretty. Again, I'm just packing on, and then I'm going to be blending that out. And for some reason with shimmers, that builds the coverage. It gives you that more intense look. And I think I am off camera going to probably draw like a small portal here. I don't know. That's what I want to do right now. So just shut it. And we'll see what happens off camera, because I should not be left to my own devices. Ever. I'm also filming again during my lunch break. Like, take a 15-minute break and I'll try to film something and come back and do it on my lunch break. Because time. So I think that's pretty. What do you guys think? I need orange. There's orange in it. There's some orange, there's some purples. I'll figure out how I want to do it. But this is a pretty much it for the eyes. Of course, I'm going to do my liner. Add some liner. Lower lash line is probably going to be smoked out with that blue. Gorgeous. A little bit of the black and the blue. I'm going to add orange somewhere because I need orange. But I'm going to go ahead, finish up, and show you guys how I brought this all together and how it matches my onesie. Alright guys, this is the final look. It took so much time. So much time, but I love how it came out. At first I was a little like skeptical because I usually ask, like, what theme do you think this is? And my brother couldn't guess it. And I was like, but he doesn't really watch Rick and Morty like that. So I'm like, you know what? I did that. I don't care what you say. So as you guys can see, I added a little coral in the waterline. It is one of my LA Girl Shockwave eyeliners because they're bomb, okay? Bomb. The lips, I added the same eyeliner as a lip liner and then topped it with my ARiiE by NYX, Dose of Colors New Moon lip plumping gloss. Y'all know, that's it. I just wanted it to be a little bit more coral. And as you guys can see, the lashes aren't bratty, but do you see I added a tiny little portal above my left eye. So I think the portal came, zoom in on the portal. Sorry, I'll have a close-up somewhere. There's no one here but me editing. I don't know why. Whatever. But I went in, it took about 30 minutes for the portal alone. It was a lot of mixing shadows, and I had used my green neon eyeliner. I used my green neon pigment with the Chemical X, both by Makeup and Murder, and I used the same Chemical X to mix a white shadow. I also use it for a darker green and a blue, just to add some depth, and I went on top of that with some NYX glitter. I think it's cool. My hair's a mess. I think it's pretty cute. What do you guys think? I think the portal is so cute. What do you guys think? I love it. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and your holiday season. And guys, don't worry, the new year is coming, and I think it's gonna be another blue year because every year is my year. That's how I feel. Okay? This year was not the best for me mentally. It wasn't the best for my channel, but I think I still put out a lot of content that I think you guys like, some creative looks. I think I push myself every time I do like a really fun, funky, creative look, when I work on set, when I'm doing my own makeup. And I think, like, just looking back, I didn't even realize how many sets I actually worked on or how many projects I was a part of, just doing the makeup and like creative directing. Like, it was so dope, and I can't wait for you guys to enter the new year with me. Stay tuned for my 2022 New Year's Eve look. Y'all, the dress is dressing, okay? It is everything that you expect from a New Year's Eve look, and I can't wait to show you guys. But if you haven't already, guys, make sure you go ahead and give this video a like. If you like the video, if you like Rick and Morty, if you like me, or dislike it if you want to, that is on you. Ain't no hate in my heart, but it might be some of yours, and that's okay. But guys, that is it. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.